going on there, YouTube? Just a quick video here. I wanted to show you some new stuff from Ossum Designs. Me and Jason have been working together for a long time, and there's a link in the description to his Shapeways store. He's made these tractor grills for me that I've used on the farm truck, and I did the Shapeways giveaway with one of those, and they are pretty cool. I mean, you can see, if you haven't seen the videos and stuff, they fit with the scale and the look pretty well. So doing this gasser build just kind of stalled out. Quick update on that. I'm having second thoughts about how high I want the front end. You can see how it's kind of sitting right now. Yeah. So I'm not sure yet where I'm going to go with that. I haven't figured out what motor I want to use, and I need to put the R4 transmission on the motor to finish mocking it in and build motor mounts. So I'm just kind of stuck on that in the meantime. I've got some other projects going, so you know, something has to go on the back burner. But Jason also made this grill for me. This is a new two-piece design. It's about the same dimensions as the Farmall grill. It feels a lot more sturdy. It's a lot thicker, a lot more solid, and the grill piece prints separately and it's sold separately, and it just snaps in, and you can put scale bolts up here. I have one on this right now, and yeah, it's a really cool two-piece design. A little bit different look. It's flatter on the front. Doesn't have the profiled edge that this one has. It's very flat. But if you're getting that, remember you've got to order both pieces separately, because Shapeways does that. If it's a separate print, you got to order it as a separate part. You all remember these. These are the cool seats that Jason made, and I've done some work on that one, obviously, but it's printed in the white flexible nylon, just like the rest of this stuff. And I hit it with about 10 coats of chrome spray paint, and then some black wash, and made a seat cover for it, or a little seat cushion. And this is very intricate. It's completely realistic. There's so many little details in it. The print quality on it just came out awesome. And it's got mounts on the bottom. And he has those in a couple different sizes as well. The last thing I wanted to show you, the big thing, are these wheels. I wanted something different for the gasser. I had been using the Traxxas dragster front tires and wheels, and these look terribly cheap. And but I like the tire size, because you know, it's kind of a drag car. Needed something skinny, and yeah, so we worked up some ideas based off real old style gasser wheels, and we did these kind of kidney bean shaped 5-hole, 5-slot, whatever you want to call them. So this is, I think it's about 1.55. It fits the Traxxas tire for the dragster perfectly. It's got the ridges and everything, just like the original wheel is. And but we've changed the hub on it. The hub is set up like a semi-truck wheel, and it's made to accept the factory size bearings that fit the semi-truck axles that we use on the RatRods. And it also has the holes there. You can use scale bolts for lug nuts. I need to put some on there. I haven't done anything with these for a while because I've still kind of stalled on the gasser, but they look awesome. The print quality, again, Jason's designs are always super, super smooth. And I'm probably going to do the same thing with these. I'm going to hit them with tons of chrome spray paint. And that stuff, it acts weird the way that paint works. It kind of spreads around and into all the contours, and you just layer it on, and after about 10 or so coats, usually heavy coats, there's no print grain at all. Like, that seat is just so super smooth. But yeah, like I said, they accept the factory ball bearings. What size are they? 5x11 by 4. I just bought a thing of bulk ones. But yeah, that fits the hub on the axle and bolts right up, and everything fits and jives perfectly. And you can see the grill a little bit better. That one's just sitting there. We've got it just mocked up. I don't know if I'm going to use that on that build, but I think it would fit something better, like the farm truck. Fit the farm truck better. I mean, but yeah, everything in his shop, he's, you know, if you've met him or talked to him about anything about designs and stuff, he likes to give away his files, and you know, he does all these promotional builds and tutorials and stuff on forums, and he's a great guy to work with, and his print quality is just excellent. His designs are super smooth, and we haven't had any issues with anything that we've done together. and Shapeways prices are very reasonable. I'm not sure. I don't think he even marks them up any. He just does it so there's a platform for other people to buy it already made. So anyway, guys, I just thought I'd share that with you. Some really cool stuff, and I haven't had a chance to use it yet. So he's been kind of waiting on me to put something out there so he can promote it and put it in the store. So I quit procrastinating and just did a video just for him. But check it out, and see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.